Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Sona, and today's video, guess what? We are going to do mini twist. Guys, I'm not joking. When I mean mini twist, I mean small mini twist. I have seen a lot of video about mini twist, but the only one that I saw which was really mini twist is one YouTuber. Her name is OnlyOneJess, and today we are going to follow her mini twist. So if you want to see how I am going to do that mini twist, keep on watching. She started by stretching her hair. I washed my hair yesterday and then I put them in these small braids so that my hair can be stretched a little bit, because I don't want to use any blow dryer to stretch my hair. Now what I am going to do is I am going to unbraid my hair, and then from there I am going to separate them into 4 sections, because it will be easier for me to part my mini twist. By the way guys, I have never used blow dryer on my entire natural hair, so when I want to stretch my hair, I just put them in this mini braid. This is my hair after I finish unraveling the braids. I'm parting my hair into 3 sections. From there, I part my hair into smaller sections. I further parted my hair into small squares, apply my oil cream mixture, and I begin to do 2-strand twist. I will not waste time on explaining how to do twist, because I have a full video on how to twist your natural hair. Please check it out, but of course after you finish watching this video. It is very simple. I part my hair again, apply the cream and twist. I will show you 2 more for you to have a better understanding. By the way, I did a square part, but I changed it because I realized that my hair was not full enough and it was also taking too much time. So I changed it to this random twist. And also, sorry about the light of this video. I was filming the video around 10 p.m. This is my hair after I finished the back section. Oh my god, guys, at this time I was so tired and I wanted to give up. My hair was taking forever to finish, but when I looked at the twist, I said to myself, keep going, girl. I'm super happy that I'm left with only one twist. It took me 4 hours, guys, 4 good hours to finish my entire hair. From 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. But it was the sacrifice. They turned out so beautiful and I love them so much. Unfortunately for me, they can't stay in my head for so long. Maybe it will take 2 weeks, I don't know, because I have to do videos for you guys. Try the mini twist hairstyle because I'm sure you're going to love it. Don't forget to share, subscribe, like and comment to this video. Thank you all. Bye.